So you might be in a situation where your Instagram videos are just not playing. So maybe you're hopping into Instagram like the actual application, and you're seeing that none of the videos are actually playing when you actually load into them. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. So the very first thing you're going to want to do more than anything is you're going to want to make sure you have some sort of internet connection or Wi-Fi connection on your device. If you don't, that is basically going to be the main problem that you're going to run into. So just make sure that within your Wi-Fi connection, whatever you have, your internet connection, that you don't have any problems with that. Because if you do, well then that's pretty much going to be the main problem. So just again, double check those internet connections and everything, and that will pretty much end up fixing the problem for the most part. Now if that still doesn't work, the next thing you're going to want to do is try to see if there's an update available for Instagram. A lot of the times if there's some sort of issue, updating the Instagram application can probably end up fixing the problem. So go inside of your app store, just like this. You want to click on the search button, and all you're going to want to do is just either click on Instagram or just search up Instagram up here. So tap on Instagram, and then you're going to basically just update the Instagram application. Like I said, if the videos are not playing, it's usually because of some internet connection problem. So just go ahead and update your internet connection just like how I'm doing here, or not update your internet connection, update your Instagram application, and that can very well end up fixing the problem as well. And I would probably say for a lot of people, that's pretty much how you do it. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may want to double check is to make sure that actually this website or Instagram isn't actually down. So you can go to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com or one of those types of websites. And what that's going to do is it's going to show you basically a massive list of applications or websites that are down. And if Instagram or Facebook or anything are up here, or if it's like down, it's usually going to be like number one. If it's kind of like this, that may mean that it's going to be down or it could be down for some people. But usually if there's a big spike like how it was for like Reddit or one of these like Amazon, then there could be some issues there too, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix the problem. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.